Here we go. We have we are sitting on a Windows server, and we have I already ran the server manager, so I'm just going to go on and add the LDAP role, and let's go in and add it right there. There's no specific configuration yet, so pretty much next, and install. This installation will take a moment. I'll pause the video until it finishes. There we go. The installation has finished. Let's go and configure it. I'm going to go and run this instance. Go on and run ADLDS. Next. We're going to create a unique instance. We're going to call it whatever we want, but in my case, I'm going to call it our LDAP. Okay, it pre-generated these ports. I can leave it default, or I can change it. As you see, it says LDAP 5000. The default port for LDAP is not 5000, but it is 389. So we could go on and change it, make it 5389, and let's go and change this to 1200. Just for, this is a testing environment anyway, so we could choose whatever port we want. Let's make it 1300. Let's click next, and if this port is available, yes it is. And we're gonna choose an option right here. In this one, we're gonna choose yes, create application directory partition, and we're gonna give it a name. Okay, we're gonna tap on OU. We're gonna choose which OU it is, and in that OU gonna be equal to our LDAP, comma. I'm gonna say DC equal no, because that's what I have, and then DC equal local, and that should be it. We're gonna click on next. Remember, this is the location in LDAP hierarchy where the server must begin searching. So that's where we put it. So next. So we're gonna leave it this network service account, and then we're not going to use the administrator account, but I'll use a specific account which I have for LDAPs. So I'm going to say find. Let's go for that specific group, LDAP admins. I just added the LDAP admin group, and let's see what comes next. We could choose only this. In this case, let me choose everything. We could use MS user LDF, but that should do it. But I'm gonna pick up everything for service. Okay. Next. Let it finish its configuration. It may take a moment. So while it's doing that, I can pause the video. Once it's finished, I'll resume. Here we go. Let's go on and type in one of the admin account. Just type in the full account information. Okay, it's importing all of these, still copying. We're still waiting. I'll pause the video for a moment. It's importing different LDIF. We're still waiting. There we go, finish. That is it. Let's take a look. Okay, it has been finished, so let's go on and take a look at LDAP and see what's happening. There we go, our LDAP is running, so we are all set, and that's pretty much it. If you want, you could go to ADSI edit and do a little bit more setting. If you want, stick around. Let me just go on and run this. Okay, gonna go right here. Okay, I'm gonna go to, even though that configuration is done, you could just start using it, but in here, let's go to ADSI edit. Actually, there we go, we have it right there. Let's go and play a little bit more with it. Let's go on and right click and connect to. We could name it whatever we like. So in my case, I'm just gonna call it, thinking about a good name for it. So let's call it Bactano. Just a name. And then let's go and say point to where. We're gonna find a location to point to. We're gonna choose DC equal Bactano, comma, DC equal local. And this should do the trick, yet we have to specify the server as well. Let's say server 1. Gonna go on and put on Bactano.local, and let's click. There we go. Bingo, we got all the good stuff, and we got this information. We should be able to see the users. Yes, there we go. All the information for schema information, everything is right there. So we are pretty much done with this portion. If I think I don't want to make this video longer, so let me go on and make another video. How do we connect this to Cisco ASA? That'll be on the next video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you like this video.